Good morning, student. This is MSc First Physics, semester second, paper second, atoms and molecule. Now we have to discuss the article in selection rule. What is by selection rule? In general rules concerning the transition which may occur between the states of a quantum mechanical, physical systems are known as selection rule. In other words, the transition rule in spectroscopy are known as selection rule. Physically, the selection rules arise because of symmetry property of the oscillations, charge distribution of the atom. Okay, there are two charges in atom. Okay, it is experimentally found that all the possible combinations of permitted energy states of an atom don't actually appear the spectral lines. Only energy can be changes. Okay, we have seen that transition can take place between S to P or S and P, P and D, D and F, S and directly F or P and directly F state. It is because of certain restriction in transition. Transition can be allowed for only S to P, P to D, D to F and directly S to F, okay, or P to F. These restrictions are called as selection rule. On the basis of selection rules, transitions are called allowed or forbidden. Allowed means transition takes place S to P, that is called as allowed transition. The forbidden transition means the transition does not allowed S to D, that is called as forbidden transition. These rules were first introduced on purely empirical basis, but they were obtained by rigorously deductive method in biomechanics, and hence they now rest on a permanent theoretical basis. These selection rules have been devised for L, S and L, J and S. L for orbital quantum number, J for total angular quantum number and S for spin quantum number. The selection rules are as follows. Some selection rule we have to discuss. First one is the selection rule for L. For this quantum number, the rule is delta L is equal to plus or minus 1, means orbital quantum number is plus 1 either minus 1. That is, transitions take place only between levels whose L quantum number differs only 1, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. That is, only these lines are observed for which the values of L changes by plus as well as plus 1 as well as minus 1. The second one is the selection rule for J. It is delta J is equal to plus 1 plus or minus 1 or 0. Delta J is equal to 0. It is also permissible because the direction of spin of an electron in an orbit can have only two possible values. Which one? The plus 1 plus half and minus half. So that a change in S of plus 1 as well as minus 1 when added vectorially to delta L is equal to plus or minus 1 can lead to delta J is equal to 0. Now the third one is the selection rule for S. For this quantum number, the selection rule is delta S is equal to 0, which means that state states with different S, hence different multiplicities, do not combine with one another. Theory and experiment, however, show that this selection rule is only approximation rule, holding good in case of light atom, not heavy atom, only light atom. The next one is the selection rule for total quantum number or principal quantum number, small n. In Bohr's theory, there was no restriction on change in n for transitions of atoms for one energy level to another energy level. Similarly, according to quantum theory, there is no restriction on changes in n It can change by any positive integral rule including 0. The n changes by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. The next one is the selection rule for quantum number L or n theta. The rule is delta L is equal to plus minus 1 and delta n theta is equal to plus minus 1. These are the same. That is, in any electron transition, it must change by plus 1 or minus 1. The next one is the selection rule for EML and EMS. EML means orbital magnetic quantum number, and EMS means spin magnetic quantum number. The orbital magnetic quantum number EML either does not change or changes by plus minus 1, that is delta ML is equal to 0 or plus minus 1. The spin magnetic quantum number EMS remains unchanged, that is delta EMS is equal to 0. Okay. In consequence, delta EMJ means total angular momentum is equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. The selection rules are statement of transitions probabilities that are based on quantum mechanical calculations. These rules are useful in allotting proper quantum number to observe spectral lines in the series. Within the aid, energy level diagram can be constructed for natural complex multiplet lines and Zeeman effect lines. Okay, this is the